The Twins looking for a split in their 4-game set with the White Sox. They had the right guy on the hill. Jose Berrios was tremendous. He got plenty of early support. Bottom of the first, James Shields on the hill for the White Sox, facing Eduardo Escobar.
Driven to right field. It is deep and gone. Escobar with a 2-run jolt. Number 12 for Eduardo Escobar. And a 2-0 quick start for the Twins.
His 10th home run as a left-handed hitter, his 12th overall.
And that's where to hit the ball today, because you can see there's a pretty good breeze funneling out.
Batting left-handed. And the pitch, a drive in the air, right center field, that's deep. That'll send Thompson and Polka back again. They turn, watch it, it's gone. Off the ribbon board in right center field. Adrianza with number 2 on the year. 3-0 Twins.
Rosario skies this one to right field. That ball stays fair. It is out of here and go. That's back there by the Gray Clips. Rosario stay hot, 3-run homer. Well, I'll tell you, he's going to the All-Star game for a Twin. This is the guy that just touched home plate.
Berrios back out for the 7th. His pitch count right now at 82.
There's a pitch right down the middle. 95, which I don't think we've seen that velocity on a fastball since the 1st or 2nd inning. Flurry of hits and the 2 Chicago runs late in the 5th through the 6th, but since then Berrios has gotten back into dominant form. 2 down. And he does to right field, sending it deep, but not deep enough. Jose Berrios, razor sharp, as his 2nd complete game.
The Twins win at 7-2. It's a complete game win for Berrios. He allows 2 runs on 6 hits. He struck out 10 and had no walks. He's 4-0 in his last 4 home starts and 6-1 in his career against the White Sox. Rosario and Escobar combined to go 4 for 7 with 5 RBIs.